Susie? Come here. What's the matter? Hi. Oh my gosh. Nuts. Hello everyone. So today I kind of wanted to come outside. It was really nice out for Michigan. It was actually around the 60s, 50s, 60s. So it actually kind of feels nice to be in a shirt and still not need a coat outside. But yeah, to get to the point of today's Vita. There's no easy way to start it out other than the fact that I do want to get my opinion out there. Let's go get the ball. And I really don't want to make a big deal about my opinion, so that's why I wanted to do it as a Vita video and just put it on my side channel, and if anyone wants to know, it's here. You need to be quiet. I'm vlogging here. I am vlogging here. Cookie ball. So on Monday, there were bombs that went off at the Boston Marathon. A great majority of the nation already knows about it. And it just kind of makes me sick to my stomach that there are people out there who want to harm other human beings. And I just find it, I don't know how else to say it than disgusting. For people to actually have minds that really want to go through with harming other physical human beings like that. And one other thing that also annoys me about it is what happens on the social media when we can't do nothing there. I live in Michigan. I'm well over 500 miles away. I can't physically be there and help people. The only thing I can do is send my thoughts, and if I'm able to donate blood, I can do that. But other than that, that's all I can really do. And I don't know, just when people on social media start fighting over this and they get into stuff about money and politics and religion, that's besides the point. That is just repulsive to think about, because people are getting into fights over this when you should be thinking about some way of helping everyone who's been affected by it. Do something positive and not negative and start bickering. It's pointless. And then people who also do the retweets for the victims and gain followers, that's another thing I really don't like. I just really hate how people find something in a bad situation like that and either make it worse with arguing or use it for their own gain, which that's disgusting. There are different ways. There are people who, they make videos on YouTube where they talk about it. I think there's a difference between that and just at least when you show no feelings or anything toward the victims and the situation as a whole, and showing no, it's really hard to explain things like this. This is something I usually don't like to talk about these things on my main channel because of how controversial it can be. I'm not one for controversy. I don't like confrontation. I don't like arguing. I just want things to be happy in the world. I would love to live in a world where there's no fights and wars and everyone is peaceful and not arguing. And unfortunately, we don't live in a world like that. We do have bad people out there, and the thing you have to do is just stay positive about it and just do everything you can to be a good person and help those in need. And that's really all I have to say about that. And my thoughts and my heart goes out to everyone affected and everything in Boston, everything right now, because there's so many people who are in a panic over there. They're worried about their lives and what could happen next, possibly. Thank goodness that wasn't any bigger or worse, and that there were bombs found that didn't go off. So that's all I have to really say about that. And I love you guys. I want you guys to stay safe and be positive and just do things to be a better person for the world. Do things to better the world, and don't go out being negative or doing something for personal gain to leech off of a situation like that. So yeah, I'm starting to ramble, but thank you guys for watching today's Vita, and I will see you for tomorrow's Vita and every Vita after that until April 30th. And even though I'm failing on uploading on time, I still feel I'm doing an okay job by, at least doing my best. And I really don't feel there should be a comment question about, you can leave your thoughts and opinions down below about the whole situation. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.